Hey friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this adorable baby shower gift idea. It is a closet and the Minnie Mouse swing does actually work. So let's go ahead and get started. We have the crate here. I'm going to use paint and I'm going to mix that with water. It's going to give it that stain feel without taking so long to dry. So as you can see here, this literally dries up in seconds. So I am painting it, and as I get to the other side, the other end, the other left side, do you see that is already drying up? Now with crates and things like that, I did pick up mine from Michael's. So don't forget to check for coupons for Michael's on their website. They almost always have coupons that you can use. I think I picked up my crate for under $10, and I'm going to go ahead and move on. So I'm going to set that to dry. Now we're going to take the 2 dowels also from Michael's. I'm going to take Gorilla Glue and I'm going to apply one side Gorilla Glue mixed with hot glue just to keep it in place until the Gorilla Glue dries. Now for the front part, I used twine and the little clothing pin and flowers. Those are all from Dollar Tree, and I will be hanging socks in those. And now I'm going to take my vine and wrap it around using hot glue. And as you can see, I am taking this shelf right here. This is going to be my swing. I painted this as well with the same paint mixture that we used earlier, and I'm going to take the string and I'm going to go ahead and build my swing. You're going to take the string and split it into 2 and then run it through the little what is that thing called, the little shelf, this one, and this is how it looks like right here. Well, you can go ahead and glue the top as well, just to kind of keep it in place, the string itself, while it's attached on that dowel up there. Now place everything on hangers and go ahead and hang it on there. And to fill the inside a little bit and have everything kind of elevated, I'm going to go in with this foam piece that I just kind of had on hand, and I'm going to go in with this gift tissue papers, and which I picked up from Dollar Tree, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it. I will be using hot glue to tuck in the sides there and to just kind of have everything in place. I'm going to place it down in the center and then fill up my basket, and this is how it looks. What do you guys think? And I love this, that the swing actually works. That is super cool. But I want to hear from you, so let me know down in the comments what you think.